Hi, girl. Do you still have the hiccups? Oh, they went away, huh? Up there they are. There they are. You want to read a book? Toes. Hi, sweet girl. Oh, look at the tongue. Oh, yeah. No frown now.